She thinks she's got the perfect now. She thinks she's done it in two. She thinks she's perfect, but she's not. She thinks she's like Megan Trainor or Ariana Grande. She treats him like an angel, but she's not. She's just a loser. Corn. She gets boogers in her picking nose. She just wants to treat him like a perfect. But I'm the rock girl. You don't have to be losing like that. You just give me a call when you're free. Just give me a call when you're free, baby. You just want to give him a unicorn call or just a little. You just want to give him the power to speak. You just want to give him the dresses you designed. You want to give him the perfect undo. I would put a bloody dress on you. You don't deserve him now, and you better not. You're the perfect girl, but you're not a little cute. You're but sweet, but psycho. You just don't not. You just a little perfect, but you're not. You just know that, but you're not. You think you're perfect, but you're not. A cat is better than her. She doesn't know about any math. She doesn't know about me and her. She doesn't know about her. Doesn't know about the hardness